This is how to safely use a bandsaw. First of all, you want to turn on the dust extraction because the bandsaw emits a lot of dust. You do this by pushing the extraction button on and the green button on top of it. Second thing is that you need to make sure you wear eye and ear protection because the machine can still emit dust into the air even with the dust extraction on. And the ear protection is needed because the machine itself is loud and there's also other people using different machines in the room, so the room is super loud. You should also have closed shoes on. Then you want to go to the machine and press the green button to start. Make sure you're not wearing long sleeves because the machine can pull you in. Then you can start cutting. There's a cord that can be used for more straight cuts. Once you finish cutting, you can put the cord back and turn the machine off using the red button. In case of an emergency, you can pull on the wire that is found just above head level in the room, which will cut the room's power off.